Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Swiper.js. First, you'll need to include the Swiper CSS and JavaScript files in your HTML document. You can link to them from a CDN or host them locally. Next, set up the basic HTML structure with a Swiper container and Swiper wrapper containing your individual Swiper slide elements. Finally, initialize Swiper with just a few lines of JavaScript targeting your container element. Once initialized, you can easily configure Swiper with various options. For user navigation, enable the previous and next arrows. You can also add pagination dots, which visually indicate the current slide and allow direct jumping. Furthermore, you can specify how many slides should be visible at one time, perhaps one slide for a full-width hero or 3 slides for a product carousel. To make your Swiper more dynamic, consider enabling autoplay, which automatically transitions between slides after a set delay, like 3,000 milliseconds. For a seamless experience, activate the loop option, allowing the slider to cycle endlessly. Swiper also offers various transition effects, such as fade or cube, to add a unique visual flair to your slide changes. Customizing Swiper's look and feel is straightforward using CSS. You can easily style the navigation arrows, pagination dots, and even the slides themselves to match your brand. For responsiveness, you can define different Swiper parameters based on screen width. Additionally, Swiper provides a powerful API, offering dozens of methods and events for fine-tuned control and complex interactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.